The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Once a town mouse was visiting his friend, the country mouse, for dinner. The country mouse served him only barley and grain. The town mouse pitied the country mouse and said,
"You should come with me to the town. I will serve you all sorts of fine food."
The country mouse agreed to come with him. The next morning, both of them went together to the town. They arrived late at night. The town mouse suggested that they should eat after such a long journey. He took his friend to a grand dining room. The country mouse had seen nothing like it. The dining table was filled with the leftovers of a fine feast. They ate cakes, jellies, cheese, and everything nice. The country mouse was thinking about how lucky the town mouse is. Suddenly, they heard growling and both of them panicked. The town mouse shouted,
"It's the cat! Run!"
They ran as fast as they could.
"I think I will head back home,"
said the country mouse.
"I had rather have barley and grain and live in peace than eat cake and cheese and live in fear."
Moral of the story: it is better to live in poverty and in peace than to have plenty and live in fear.